What is the best home to buy in any given luxury community? It might be the most expensive home in that neighborhood. I mean, it's the best. It probably has the best views. It's probably the biggest with the most amenities. But a lot of people say you should buy the smallest house in the best neighborhood. And if that's what you're looking for, this could be your home. Now, this house is not teeny tiny. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage. It's just under 1,500 square feet, but it's great because it's single level, it's clean. Everything is simple about this home, and it's on the Mackay Golf Course. Not only is it on the golf course, but you're a 2 to 3 minute walk from Hanalei Bay Resort, where, sure, you're not staying at the resort. Technically, you're not using their pools, but they do have 2 restaurants on property. They have Happy Talk and Wiki Pizza. Both are great. You can walk down there, have a meal, have a drink, enjoy their tremendous view, or sit on this huge lanai behind me and feel the breeze, as you can tell from my hair, and take in the golf course and the nene. Look, I can see about 7 nene from here. To buy the smallest house in the nicest neighborhood. Well, people give that advice because everyone else's prices raise yours. As I say, a rising tide raises all boats. Because homes in this neighborhood are generally much larger, all of their prices help bolster the value of this home. One of the great things about this location is I like to call it the Hanalei Bay Resort location. Why is that? Because right at the end of the street is Hanalei Bay Resort. So on top of this being in a neighborhood that has the best mountain views and even some Hanalei Bay views in Princeville, whether you live here or you use it as a vacation rental, you can walk down the street to Hanalei Bay Resort. You can walk down to Hanalei Bay Resort where there's 2 restaurants, Happy Talk, which is like a tropical sports bar, and Wiki Pizza, which has great, I would call it New York style pizza and tremendous views. So in honor of the beach walks I've been doing, where I've been walking down all of the paths in Princeville to the little beaches beneath the Princeville bluff, we're going to walk down to Hanalei Bay Resort. Now you can get to the beach. You can get to Pu'upoa Beach by walking through Hanalei Bay Resort. So let's time it. How long to the resort? Okay, ready, set, go. The last time I did some of these beach walks, people were like, "Don't do that in your slippers." So today I'm wearing tennis shoes. All right, 2 minutes, 47 seconds, under 3 minutes to get to the newest house for sale, Hanaoiki, to the Hanalei Bay Resort. Is that fast enough for your pizza? So this is Happy Talk behind me. I call it the tropical sports bar. It's fun, they often have live music. This is Wiki Pizza. It's huge. They don't have live music, but they have a great view. And actually, this is it's not a secret, but not people know about it. So don't feel like you need to come. So I just put this in the MLS this morning. It's Tuesday. I'm doing an open house this Saturday, May 16th from 12:30 to 4:30. If you'd like to see it, come by and take a look, and you can time yourself down to Hanalei Bay Resort as well. But open house this Saturday from 12:30 to 4:30. I'd love to see you.